Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. Some people may have a couple stories to share with you guys, but the first one I want to get into is the shooting in St. James of this young man, at Bird Bush, right? And me myself, my people, I go a Bird Bush already. You see me? 2 times I ever go with my friend them. One time I see them go up on the road and I say, yo, wanna I go? And then say, yo, see a Bird Bush here I go. Then time there you get grand. A good look a while, good look a while. Them give you a grand for not even a day, you just go there for maybe an hour or 2 hours so, and you get grand. You see me? All you have to do is just pick up a bird them when them shoot the bird them, right? And me can't see how it can happen to, me can't see it can happen, me not lie. But the can them what them I use for shoot the bird them, people, is like a pebbles. And it look like a close range. Why it take this youth, 3 points. So let me share the article because his mother have some things to say also, right? Shooting incident claim life in St. James. A bird shooting trip turned deadly on Saturday when a hunter lost his balance, causing his loaded weapon to discharge and fatally SH0T, one of his, them say aid, right? Killing. The incident, which is reportedly being treated as death by misadventure by the police, took place at a bird bush in Spot Valley, St. James. The deceased has been identified as Marlon Davis, a woodcarver from the Kerry Park community. According to the police, the incident took place in the morning as Davis was participating in a bird shooting activity with a group of individuals when explosions were heard. It is alleged that a licensed firearm holder within the group accidentally discharged their weapon, striking Davis under his armpit. The injured man was immediately transported to hospital, but despite efforts to save him, Davis succumbed to his injuries while receiving treatment. Davis' mother, Nora Walters, opened up about the tragic incident that robbed her of her last child. The doctor them say to save him. Doctor them try to save him, but the scatter shot them destroy his organs them. The wailing mother said Davis was always of assistance in her time of need. Me tell him about my light bill and him say him no have no money, but him a go bird bush and him we get some money. Feel me, she said. Why my people, as me say, you see bird bush, you can make a nice little money for maybe an hour or 2 or maybe 3 hours. You see me I say? Because them long time there, you get like a grand. So I must maybe 2 grand you get. And I think them go 2 times a day. In the early morning and in the evening. You see me I say? Or 3 times, I don't remember. But me know them go in the early morning and them go in the evening. You see me I say? So like when a bird shooting time, I like you get like a month them get like a month and a half to shoot the bird them. You see me I say? And I think only on weekends like on Saturday and Sunday them go do the shooting, right? And the mother say this youth here even drop out left her daughter. Daughter go high school and I want something. You understand me? So this is sad. She said she didn't even know how to tell the daughter what really go on. You see me? So this is sad, my people. And as me say, you can get a money going bird bush. You see me? You can get the money. By now, it's supposed to reach like maybe 2 grand, 2.5 or in a them region there because a long time me I tell you say me go long time ago. You see me? So if him a go 2 times a day, him can make a money. You see me? So boy, me no know where for really say people because you see, remember, you know, if these person where got a bird bush go shoot bird and them way there, if them train, there's no way me no feel like say your hand supposed to then near the trigger. You know what I mean? Unless the gun up in the ear, yeah, aim for shoot a bird. You understand? But them same slip and fall. So any game, anything can happen. Anything can happen. You understand? And it look like say from close range to, you know. You understand? And here we go these birds shooting go some of the time. Some of the time the man where I shoot the bird, I go tell you say go in front of him. Right? Because at this of the bird them I go jab. Go in front of him, look up in the ear. So you go turn your back to him, you know. And look up in the ear for when the bird them jab. You can see which part the bird jab because I mostly bush in a be a cassia tree and them something there, you know what I mean? So me can see that happen still. R.I.P. to him and condolences to his family. People, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. It is sad because his mother saying no people say I know the first thing I happened to him a bird bush, you know. Him go there already right now. The mother say want steal in a him foot and a bird bush. Him go broke him foot. You see me I say? So it look like say this youth here salt. That's all me can say. You know what I mean? So we're gonna move on, my people, to a shooting over Portmore. 2 killed, another injured in Portmore shooting. The shooting, a shooting on Sunday afternoon in Portmore, St. Catherine has left 2 men dead and another injured. The incident occurred around 2 p.m. along the main road. The deceased have been identified as Kemar Williams, also known as Ghetto, and a man known as Odin. The injured person is a taxi driver. According to reports, the men were chatting and drinking when a motor car pulled up. 2 armed men exited the vehicle and opened fire on the group. Williams was shot in the upper body, while Bill sustained gunshot wounds to his hip thigh and the back of his head. The victims were rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where Williams and Bill were pronounced you know what on arrival. The other man was admitted in stable condition. 19 spent 9mm casing bullet fragments were reportedly recovered from the scene by detectives. John Star. People, one thing me have to tell the youth them say yo stay far from trouble virgin cause it not set like rain. Avoid a confrontation if you can. Walk away from a fight if you can. You know what I mean? So people, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section, people. So we're gonna get into another story, my people. Trelawney farmer accused of fatally stabbing man who owed him money. Jano. A Trelawney man, them say is a farmer, has been charged with murder following an altercation on Wednesday with a man who reportedly owed him money. The accused is Onique Small, otherwise called OJ, of Hodge Settlement, Falmouth, while the victim is Conroy Bramwell, otherwise called Smokey, of Spring Hill, Stuart Castle, Duncan, Trelawney. The Falmouth police say about 12 p.m. Bramwell was walking in the town when a dispute arose with Bramwell, whom he had loaned money. So them say Bramwell was walking into the town when a dispute arose with Bramwell, maybe they make a mistake there. So alright, the argument escalated into a physical altercation during which Small allegedly stabbed Bramwell with a scissors. The police were summoned, and on arrival Bramwell was transported to hospital where he was treated. Bramwell succumbed to his injuries on Saturday. Small had turned himself into the police on Thursday and was subsequently charged following a question and answer session on Saturday. His court date is being finalized. So you see me I telling the people, walk away from an argument if you can, walk away from an argument. If you can, walk away from an altercation. You understand me I say? So these two persons, one owe the next money, you know what I mean? And it caused this for I'm going to tell you the people, sometimes you have to be selfish. Selfish in a sense when if you have use for that money where a person a borrow from you, do not lend that person your money. You see me I say? Because if him never lend the person the money, he wouldn't cause this. You understand me I say? Maybe them friendship would have mash up, but it wouldn't cause this, and the friendship can't mash up if you don't know say me have money neither. So some of the time you have to be selfish. RIP to the man who dropped out, and condolences to his family. You know what I mean? Now this a man here, but I tell him I have to go back later now in a court. So people, leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comment section.